Hello, my name is Novel Zindan. I am from class BL 102D. Here I will explain chapter 12 about noise. Okay, now I will start it. Noise, commonly defined as unwanted sound, is a widely recognized form of population. It is very difficult to measure because the discomfort experienced by different individuals is highly subjective and therefore variable. Exposure to lower level of noise may be slightly limiting, whereas exposure to high level may actually cause hearing loss. Unlike the ears, which can be covered by the eyelids against strong light, the ear has no lid and is therefore always open and vulnerable. Noise penetrates without protection. Noise causes effect that the hearer cannot control and to which the body never becomes accustomed. Noise causes effect that the hearer cannot control and to which the body never becomes accustomed. In fact, there is a general increase in functional about by the flow and of the adrenaline release and response to fear, and some of these response processes even louder than the noise. Recently, researchers have concluded that noise and our response may be much more than an annoyance. It might be a source due to physical and psychological health and well-being. We have long known that hearing loss is America's #1 non-fatal health problem. In addition, the physiological effect of noise is very important. Next. Conclusion. Noise, commonly defined as unwanted sound, is a widely recognized form of pollution. Unlike the eyes, which can be covered by the eyelids against strong light, the ear has no light and is therefore always open and vulnerable. Noise penetrates without protection. Noise causes effect that the hearer cannot control and to which the body never becomes accustomed. Recently, researchers have concluded that noise and our response may be much more than an annoyance. Okay, thank you.